Yeah, well, it's pretty stormy here at the tropical beach house. I guess we're not getting a whole lot of work done in this mess. It's not just rainy, it's windy. See them trees? Oh yeah. Rain seems to be going a little sideways. That's this just started and look how much water is already coming down. You see it just started, it's only just now forming a rivulet. But man, look at that wind. Woo! Holy moly. I'll take a little peek out the back. You see those trees blowing like crazy. Look at this, just blew in out of nowhere. It was sunny and calm with a nice breeze, and then all of a sudden, it's like somebody just turned on the tap. Wow.
A few moments later.
And here we are, 5 minutes later, and it's over, just like that. But that's, pretty typical here in Florida. Yeah. We have a big, huge gully washer come up out of nowhere, dump rain for 5 minutes, and move on. Life in the tropics. But the beach house is still secure.
The next day.
Good morning, interwebs. How are my friends doing today? The electricians are coming today. We get everything hooked up. I'm not sure they're going to turn the power on, but they will get everything hooked up, terminated, get all the light fixtures installed. So whether or not the electricity will be on, but at least it'll look a lot neater having everything, finished inside. So, see you there. Well, the electricians are done. Let's start here in the garage. There's the garage light and the fluorescent light for the laundry area. And of course, all the electrical outlets wired at the water heater. The big service for the dryer. Let's move inside. There's my lovely chandelier. Of course, all the outlets are around. All my pot lights are in. And this big, huge ceiling fan. And you may notice the ceiling fan, the blades, that's the floor. Pretty cool, huh? It's almost like I planned that. My two hallway lights. They got in the smoke detectors. For the bathroom, I put in the the fart sniffer. Got this light in this one, similar in the other. I've got the ceiling fans in the bedrooms. Alicia's room gets the light in the closet. I was not expecting that. And then we come in here to my room. There's the light in my closet and the ceiling fan in my room. And then all the way back here in the bathroom, there's a light fixture there, a couple of GFCI outlets, and that's it. They did a good job. They were in and out before lunch. So yeah, there we go. The next step is have the city come out, turn on the power. They've got everything set up at the pole or at the side of the house where the meter goes. They even took off my ground where I grounded the cable and redid it with a proper ground with a cover over it, real fancy, instead of just the regular screw-on cable ground that I used. So yeah, that's it for electrician stuff. Okay, so drill a big paddle bit, the light stoppers for the hole in the wall there. That's where the speaker is going to go. Run the wire through behind the outside, up through the attic to the other side by the television, and voila, home theater. So let's get to it, shall we? Remember the glow rods. And the short one here. Use it. Electric tape. There's the wire. Very long wire. Once I get this put in, then I can figure out where to put the unit on the other side, depending on how long the wire is and where it'll end up. I'm not pulling this through anything difficult, so it doesn't need to be taped really crazy. In case you're wondering, I've had this thing for a very long time. I just never got around to putting it in because I knew I was going to be tearing the house down and moving. So it's been just sitting in the box for a very long time. I finally had the opportunity to use it. theater I had in the old house was a very basic little, almost nothing surround sound system. This one's much, much better. Where is okay, and then a little white plug. You'll see it. However, you won't notice it because the speaker will sit right on top of it. Sounds hollow. Yep, good and hollow. Pull that from the other side, up in the attic, see how far it goes. Okay, so our next bit of fun is mounting the speaker to the wall. I've already measured where the holes go. I'm gonna drill the holes. Whoops. Put these little plastic anchors. Screw in the mounting screws. Yeah, okay. Get something to hammer these with. That'll work. Hope I don't screw this up. Well, one on this wall would be like this. The other two, these are taller and have a much shorter wire. So I got to run those so then I can figure out where I'm putting the center unit, because these wires are much, much shorter. And I'm kind of limited on how far I can go with them. Okay, so this one I actually did just a little bit different. I used 2 glow rods. So it goes way across and cut down on how much I've got to crawl through the attic. You go get that one. I was a booger climbing all the way over there through all the ductwork and everything else. I got 2 glow rods. That cuts off 8 feet of crawling that I've got to do. Okay, speaker number 2. City inspector just came by to start the electrical inspection. All goes well, we can have electricity on this afternoon, he said. That'd be awesome. There we have it. I'm going to drill some holes. And this is the main unit. It's a Rockville, big subwoofer. See, Rockville. Honestly, didn't know much about them. They had really good reviews, and the big subwoofer in the back of my van is a same Rockville. Never had any issues with it. It's always served me well. So you're gonna go with this. You'll notice these big white things on either side, and also on the speakers. Those are multicolored flashing LEDs. Yeah, I probably won't be using those. But another thing, 2 big microphone jacks in the bottom. Yep, this thing is set up for karaoke. Oh, karaoke. Also comes with a remote. There we go, nifty. So yeah, once I get this thing up, I'll plug it in and blast some music through it. We'll see how it works.